that they did a diamond thing formation. Maybe a tripod. We got two to the left in sequence from in line. So like, look at me, and this is obviously an attempt at some kind of communication. It's obviously saying something. Then, and that those two to the left, one disappeared. Uh, oh, there it is. It did come back there behind the tree for me. Okay. Maybe it was just blocked. Very cool. Look at it, they just kind of come out of nowhere too, with their brightness. And I'm trying to, it's got. I mean, if I'm seeing this, and O'Hare Airport is one of the busiest in the world, there's got to be other people seeing this shit. Some pilots, obviously, controller, tower, uh, people on the ground. I should check ATC. We're doing plane finder now. It is O'Hare, so you're going to see a bunch of squawking planes on plane finder here. But look at that. We got one, two, three, and a weird diamond thing on the left. 4, 5, one above each other. 6 center. Going right 7, 8, maybe 9 at the tree line to the right side of this center. All right, we're gonna look with our eyes for a minute.